Internet marketers can bash Google all they want. They can talk about all the gloom and also doom of all the Google ducks, penguins, pandas and lizard updates, but there's still one fact that remains. Google is still the undisputed king of delivering you the greatest and highest converting traffic than any other source online. Period. I do not care what anyone says. You cannot get any more targeted than somebody typing a specific keyword into a search engine and landing on your website or video that contains details about the keyword. And today, capitalizing on that free traffic just got a whole lot easier. A group of genius marketers have just launched one of their secret weapon tools that has been producing page 1 rankings after page 1 rankings. And you don't need me to tell you that when you have the power to rank at will, you pretty much have the power to print your profits. This secret weapon is called SyndLab 2.0 and it automatically syndicates your articles to over 30 plus high-quality social syndication sites on complete autopilot. SyndLab is their powerful web app that allows you to automatically syndicate your content across 30 plus networks for fast page 1 rankings for both your videos and also niche websites. It'll also allow you to use this platform as a content distribution and also management platform, since you will be able to syndicate your content across all your networks at the push of a button. A few other upgrades they've made in SyndLab 2.0 are completely revamped their syndication engine to deliver faster syndications and also faster results after processing over 500,000 syndications, upped their syndication integrations from 21 sites to 30 sites, increased to 51 sites for Auto 1. Added RSS feeds of your campaigns to allow for even further syndication and also indexing. Added campaign cloning to make it faster and easier to get even more content syndicated. Added Facebook photo and video syndication. Integrated with the #1 photo sharing website, Instagram. Added the ability to export campaign reports in just one click, and much more. They literally have a list of about 25 upgrades they've made for SyndLab 2.0. These are a few that are most prevalent for you to know about. With SyndLab you will be able to easily and quickly syndicate your videos and/or niche websites across all your networks. Be able to get fast page 1 rankings through the power of social syndication backlinks. Be able to have your blog posts go viral by syndicating your content on all social platforms. Be able to post instantly or schedule posts for the future. And much more. Can't reveal it all just yet. How does it work? 1. Choosing whether you want to rank a video or niche site. 2. Select which websites or all sites that you want your content to be syndicated to. 3. Select whether you want your syndication to start immediately or if you want it drip-fed. 4. Sitting back and also let SyndLab get to work for you. SyndLab Facts. Is SyndLab Mac compatible? Yes. Actually, SyndLab works on any PC. It's a web-based app, which means you just need a web browser and a net connection and you will be able to use SyndLab. Do I need any proxies or Captchas to make SyndLab work for me? Nope. We have created SyndLab in a way that you do not need any Captchas or proxies to make it work. Many ranking tools require Captchas and proxies, but SyndLab does not. Is there a guarantee policy? Yes, certainly. We're extremely confident in what we have created. So confident that you will be able to use SyndLab for a full 30 days, and if within those 30 days you feel SyndLab isn't for you, then just shoot us an email and we will give you a full refund. Does SyndLab work for local marketing? Yes, certainly. We have built SyndLab to work for anything you are looking to do online. Local, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, pretty much anything that you need targeted traffic for. Conclusion. Not only are you getting access to SyndLab for the best price ever offered, but also you're investing entirely without risk. SyndLab include a 30-day money-back guarantee policy. When you choose SyndLab, your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you are not completely satisfied with it for any reason within the first 30 days, you're entitled to a full refund, no question asked. You've got nothing to lose. What are you waiting for? Try it today and get the following bonus.